How to change Facebook Messenger language on iPhone or Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Ro here to guide you on how to change Facebook Messenger language on iPhone or Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook Messenger application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards three-line icon at top left corner. Now select your icon. From the settings section or me section of Messenger, scroll down. Locate option for language. But unfortunately, you won't get from this section. So what you can do is simply, you need to head towards the settings of your Android device. And then, using the search bar, you can type in language or region. If you don't get that way, head towards the additional settings and select language and region. Now tap on Edit under the language and you can easily add your language with the help of the search bar or icon at top right corner, and also you can select the plus icon next to the language according to your convenience. Also you can change the region as well. So this way you can change Facebook Messenger language on iPhone or Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.